Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for December 16th, 2019. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We did see U.S. equity markets closing higher for the fourth straight session. Yet again, fresh new highs pretty much across the board. The Dow was higher by 100 points. The S&P 500 higher by 22 points. NASDAQ gaining 79, and the Russell 2000 was higher by 12 points. The bond market did pull back, and the yield on the 10-year note jumps to 1.876%. Crude oil up marginally, just 15 cents or 0.25% at the official close, while gold futures was lower by just 40 cents, and the US dollar also finishing slightly lower. Now, going back to the chart of the Dow, here we are at new highs, and many people believe it can certainly go higher. But there's one little hiccup in the mix here, and others are not so confident, and that's because of the Dow Jones Transportation Average. Normally, this average leads the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and as you can see here, unlike the Dow, which is putting in new higher highs, this has been consistently putting in lower highs here. So, and lower lows here recently as well. So, it's really acting as the divergence here, and it is something to be concerned about. We have pretty much been in a range for pretty much the full year, for the full 2019 year, and there it is. There's a better picture of it. And on the higher time frames, we can connect the dots here, highs to highs and lows to lows, and you'll see that we are in a wedge pattern. So this can continue to go sideways. Certainly, if the transports can break out of the high of this range, that would be very, very bullish for the Dow. But as long as it remains here or breaks below, that will certainly, hinder the Dow from going much higher. So it's something to definitely keep an eye on. Okay, but that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.